Hey guys, how's it going? Today is Christmas Day, so I'm just getting ready to go to like a little get together that I got invited to by one of my, well, like my only friend right now actually. But yeah, so if you're wanting to watch that, then please stay tuned. So the first thing I'm going to do is spray some primer water. My skin has been like super dry and I want to use a cream highlighter today. So the highlighter that I'm going to be using is Becca Moonstone in the Poured Cream. And I'm just taking that on a dry sponge just because I don't feel like going to get it wet right now. But I absolutely love this highlighter, so there's not much wrong it can do. And I'm just taking this above the brow on the eyebrow arch area, under the brow, and then on my cheekbone here, a little bit down the nose. Hit the Cupid's bow a little bit. And then I'm also gonna take this on this number 9 brush from BH Cosmetics in their marble collection. It reminds me of like a flat lip brush. And I'm just gonna take this in the inner corner. Mitzi, what are you doing? She's making like all kinds of noises right now. Mitzi.
What are you up to? Oh my goodness. I love you. I love you. I love you.
I'm gonna have to take this off because I'm dying of hotness. I made her excited and she's playing with a toy. That's amazing. Okay, what palette do I want to use today? I kind of want to use this red from Sugarpill, but your girl is scared. Your girl is scared.
Oh yeah, I was gonna paint my nails today and I forgot. Wow, I cannot get on topic, can I? Probably should have thought about what I wanted to do before I started filming.
So I am gonna use, I think it's called Love Plus from Sugarpill. It's like the best red ever. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into this and hopefully I don't mess up my world. And then I'm also gonna use, what is this, Armed and Gorgeous? No, this is Ring the Alarm. So I'm also gonna use Ring the Alarm from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe little situation just because I wanna use this bomb ass shade right here. So I'm just going into the Violavoss Pro Holy Grail palette, and I'm going to take Thanks a Latte. It is just... Thanks a Latte is just like a kind of light color so that I can get something going on my lid right here. So hopefully I can blend out this red shadow. Editing this is going to be such fun. If you edit tutorials, like you'll know how difficult it is to edit makeup tutorials, or just like Get Ready With Me's or makeup tutorials are kind of similar, where you kind of want to cut out like some of your talking, which this might get cut out too, so whatever. Anyway, so I'm literally just taking that all over. I'm putting it on the lid, in the crease, everywhere. Okay, and then we is gonna go in to this. Hopefully I have a brush that I need. So I'm taking this IT Cosmetics, this is a number 220 small eyeshadow brush, And it's kind of flat, but like a little bit like fluffy. And I'm just gonna go in with this shade here. I only have like an hour to get ready, so playing with new eyeshadows when you only have an hour to get ready possibly isn't the best idea, but this is where we're living. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. There we go. Now we can see each other. And I'm just taking this like kind of lightly, and that way I don't mess myself up here. And I'm just kind of packing this all over the lid. I haven't really ever used this eyeshadow for like a look yet, so I'm kind of curious. So now that I have the red like laid down like that, I'm just gonna go into, I'm actually not gonna go into anything. I'm gonna take this M433, it is clean, and I'm just gonna blend that up a little bit. Just doing this with nothing on the brush, and that way I can kind of see where we're at here. So I'm just blending that and then adding a little bit more to the lid and blending out again. Trying my hardest not to go up too high. And then I'm just taking a little bit of Thanks a Latte and a little bit of Transition out of the Violet Voss palette. And I'm just taking that up here a bit. I'm gonna try to help myself out by getting as much powder as possible on this brush so that I can wipe away this fallout. With what the fallout was on the bottom lash. There's just a little bit of red under there. So I'm gonna do this 213 eye shading brush from Luxie. It's kind of like flat and it's got like a blunt end. And I'm just gonna go into Transition first in the Violet Voss palette. And let's see what we got going on here. Because the part that's under my eyes is not coming off of me, so let's just try to work with it Now that I have that on the under eye, I have decided that I want to also take transition and just go a little bit up here just to bring the same kind of colors into my transition area. And that way there's not just like some random color down there. So I like where we're at with the eyes. I do want to put the Balm Ash shade still on my lid, but oh my god, my battery's dying. Is this a joke? So I'm gonna go do my face and then I'll come back and do the eyes with you guys, or I'll finish the eyes with you guys. Hopefully my camera does not die in the middle of this. It's on one bar. I turned it off for a little bit, so hopefully that's cool. I don't want to take it off the whole thing and then try to like finish. That's just not, I don't have that kind of time. So I did the rest of my face. I'm going to spray some primer water. Just to melt everything really quick. Cool. And then I'm gonna take this palette and go in with, what brush? Do I even have a brush like that over here? Yeah, I'll use this brush. Almost all of my brushes are sitting in my restroom waiting to be cleaned because I know that I shouldn't be using them on my eyes. But the thing about it is that they've been in there for like a week and I haven't cleaned them. I've cleaned them like one by one, but that's not right. So I'm gonna go into Balm Ash and I'm just gonna place that on my lid in the middle. This color complements that color so well, wow. That's gorgeous. And like I said, I just put that in the center. Super pretty. Cool. Don't you love like stupid habits that just like affect yourself? And you're like, wow, that's really dumb. I shouldn't do that anymore. And then you continue to do it. So I'm just lining with the Almay pencil that I always use. My phone is like back on dying mode, so not sure when that's gonna happen. And then I'm just gonna open my new full exposure mascara. The That was a good noise. There's like nothing on this earth like a new fresh and clean mascara. And then I'm just gonna finish this off with a Buxom gloss. It's called Pink Champagne. I just got this the other day and I'm super into it. It does do that like stinging thing because it's like one of those plumping glosses. But it's not like overwhelming. I have had them before where they are. But this one's not too bad. And I like it because it kind of like doesn't dry, but it kind of like sets on your lips. So let me zoom you guys out real quick. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me, and my freaking camera is gonna die or I would have a longer outro, which you probably don't want anyways. But yeah, so thanks so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Love you all, bye! Hey guys, so I am back to show you the final like look that I got from the like palettes or whatever. But yeah, so I'm totally loving the color Bomb Ass. It's awesome. This is what I ended up wearing. I just have like a red shirt on and then I actually have like ripped jeans on because I'm in Texas and it's like 65 degrees outside right now. So yeah, anyways, so I just want to show you guys like the final look or whatever. I'll just put this somewhere in lay video. I might not be like super Christmassy per se in like the terms of the outfit, but at least I got red on, and then I painted my nails green, even though they're painted terribly, so if you can see that on the video, don't at me. But yeah, so I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye! Mitzi, if you could just like not, that'd be amazing. Jeez.
Oh my gosh. I lose my eyeliner every time that I have to do my makeup. I'm amazing.
Oh shit.